Hi everyone, this is Stephen again from OSI, and on today's episode of Everyday IAI, we are going to analyze an Excel file and see what it can tell us. So we are currently on the UC San Diego assistant, but a better assistant for this would be the general AI assistant because we don't want a UC San Diego context. So I'm actually going to go ahead and upload a file, and the limit for Excel files is about 300 rows of data, each with 8 different columns. Okay, and once I found the file, it's uploaded pretty quickly. So I'm going to say something like summarize this Excel file for me. So we didn't really ask it to do anything specific. So it's just going to kind of talk through the different sheets and the different columns on the sheets. So I'm going to ask something like, can you list out the changes in user growth on a month basis? And so it's literally going to brute force its way through all of the different months within the data set. And it's going to say, hey, we gained some users, we lost some users, and it'll actually provide it'll provide the numbers um, in parentheses here. So I could then do something, which once this ends up loading, this is a lot of text. I'm going to say something, can you summarize it per year? Aggregate those changes over here. So I can see in 2021, 2022, and 2023 what the user growth was, which I think is really great. So obviously this is a really basic use of AI to analyze an Excel sheet. And as AI technology develops, um, we'll have some further use cases, and it'll be a little bit more powerful. You can do more powerful things. But for now, I think this is a really exciting addition to Triton GPT, and I would highly encourage you all to try it out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.